So, welcome to the Piggys Daily again. You may remember we put the GTI 140 interior in this a little while ago. Maybe a year, maybe 10, episode 1 or 8, something like that. And yeah, it looks cool. But the door cards from the 3-door obviously don't fit the 5, so this horrible pinky, it's not red, it's pink, it's awful. We did try and fix that problem with about 20 cans of black spray. But as you see, it marks it really badly. It didn't really cover it, just made it kind of a dark red. And it makes it, well, just hard, as paint would. Cloth paint, rubbish. So we have a solution. Well, actually Steve has a solution, my Pug Parts hero. Oh yeah, a lot of the base spec 206s had just a standard grey interior, which works perfect. Surprising though, it's quite hard to get hold of. So, I asked him about 18 months ago. He deals with these all the time. This is the first set he's come across in a 5-door. So, there we go. So, time to flip them over. It's dead easy. Basically need some trim clip pliers and a Torx. They're really easy to come apart. There's a couple of Torx on either of them. Little driver. Pop, pop. Rip it. Flip it. Pop it back on. Job done. So let's do that. Looking a few of these in, no one's doing it. Yeah, I can do that. Sure. I've got the tube now in the bearing as well, so I've got lots of little jobs if it rains or whatever. But yeah, we can do that, no problem. Sure, that sounds good. Right, so let's see some of this. Amazing. I didn't even lose that. Maybe we'll find it later on. That's the easiest grey door card screw ever. Yeah. Ah, isn't that funny? So we've got a decent one that side and a rubbish one that side. Perfect. Just know they're going to work. Yeah, great. Seriously. Why? How's that going? How do you lose anything? You only drive a car in. Amazing. Well, I didn't record any of that. I've just been chatting to you for the last 5 minutes. And it looks weird enough when I'm chatting to a camera, but when the camera's not recording, it's even weirder. Anyway, I think not Not bad. Ouch. That looks like a... Oh, that looks so better. So much better. So much better. I wonder if Mrs Piggy will even notice. Probably not. Right, well let's chuck all the old ones back in there. I won't do that. Got nowhere else to put these. Lockdown, can't go to a tip. It's hand tidy. Just put it all in the boot. And shut the boot. Oh, that does look a lot better. Yeah. So we'll give them a bit of a clean. And we're done. Thanks for watching this weird, short, badly recorded and edited video of Piggy Pal with the 2.0 Dave. Maybe I should clean it. Or maybe I should make that work.